Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Nikita Toshi and today I'll be talking about the negative impact of social media on youth. Before we go ahead, I request you to press on the bell icon and subscribe to PharmEasy's YouTube channel for more videos. Social media usage has now become popular across all age groups. It's not uncommon to find people busy on their cell phones even during family gatherings and when they are meeting their friends in real. Psychiatrists are really worried about the increasing side effects of this excessive social media usage. The list of these effects is long, but let me share a few important ones with you. Firstly, it is addictive. You heard that right. The feeling of happiness and pleasure on using social media, seeing those likes and comments on the photographs, and the feeling of anxiety and an anxious, irritable behavior when asked to minimize the use of social media has been reported by many parents. Negative self-image, lower self-esteem is another alarming issue. होता क्या है, लोग दूसरों के सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट देख करके ये सोचने लगते हैं कि सब परफेक्टली हैप्पी हैं, सिर्फ सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. Look at those beautiful faces, that beautiful dress, and this gives a negative or a fake image of the real world. Because real world में तो there are happy times, but then there are difficult times also. हम celebrate करते हैं, but then हम पढ़ाई भी करते हैं, हम काम भी कर रहे होते हैं. There are some difficult moments that we have been going through. At times we tend to cry, but then these things are not being posted on social media, right? So people get conscious about their own looks and their own life. That एक हम ही हैं क्या जो इतने happy नहीं हैं? See others, they look picture perfect, and lot of filters and lots of apps are there, right? So this creates a lot of anxiety and even depression among people. Another issue that has been reported on popular platforms is cyberbullying. Especially children and teens, they fail to understand these risks and get trapped. Later on, problem इतनी severe हो जाती है that at times they don't even feel like sharing it with their families, and because वो डरते हैं कि बताएंगे तो डांट पड़ेगी, why you did this, why you spoke to a stranger on a social media platform or something like that. And then the result is that they end up getting depressed or even attempt to self-harm. Also, having more friends on social media does not necessarily mean that you have a better social life. Virtual friends do not provide the same therapeutic effect as real friends do. Another important point is time. Time is precious, and social media can make you lose a track of time if not used judiciously. You can actually waste hours and hours of time on passive scrolling, that is non-purposive scrolling. So what can be done to minimize these effects? Firstly, set time limits for yourself and gradually try to minimize your social media usage. Find an alternative, interesting activity to engage in. Read a good book, get engaged in some sports, dancing, swimming, exercises, anything that is good for your health. Spend more time with your family and friends, real world way, not virtual. Use social media for its positive features. Learn something new, limit the time usage, and use it in a purposive way. Stay updated with the latest trends that are going on, gain new knowledge, and that will help you. A weekly social media or cell phone or digital detox can be a great trend to initiate. You can also ask your friends and family to join you with this challenge. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay safe and healthy, because aap safe to India safe.